Hello everybody, welcome back once again. It's Albert here. I'm gonna pick a lock, another challenge lock tonight. May as well. It's pretty darn. We got an ice storm going on out there today. It's kind of like a skate rink out on the road. Any hoodles. This lock here I'm gonna try is it's called. I don't know if you can see that. It's called. It says what by Fast Charlie. And it says on the back, I noticed, it says he got the idea from Bill Bacardi, so that may scare me a little bit there. But any hoodles, I'm going to try. Oh, here's the bidding. It doesn't look that crazy, but it is working. The key don't look that crazy. I am going to slide it into this little deal here that I got to hold these things for me. It doesn't do anything to the as far as picking, it just holds it. I find it really cool to hold these kick cylinders in the vise with that little deal. I put a little thumb screw on the back to make it easy. Funny little story though. I actually picked this one. This one is called Goldie, pinned by Pickaholic. I got it picked and on camera a little while ago, and went through. I think I have 5 different followers. None of them fit. I was really flustered. None of my followers would fit in that thing. So, end of that story. So I'm going on to this one. Let's stop babbling and start picking. But yeah, I couldn't believe it. I grabbed a follower and it wouldn't fit. Grabbed another one, wouldn't fit. So that's my life though. If you know me, you'll know that's pretty normal. All right, start off with this I guess kind of short hook. I don't know, from Sparrows. Let's do it. Get a feel. All right. Let's do this. I think that was 2. Whoa. I hope I didn't just overset it already. Like I said, we're having an ice storm today, so I apologize if you hear some background noise. It may be the heater kicking on again. There we go. I had counter rotation. I think that was 3, and I got a slight turn. Okay, a little bit more of a turn. Can't tell if pin 1 is up or down. Alright, I want to say this is 4. It's pretty low. I got a pretty decent turn on the core, but now everything seems to be kind of locked up. Guess that's why they call them locks, huh? Alright. Seems like every pin kind of gives me feedback, but whatever's in here, I'm not used to it because doesn't feel like anything yeah, I lifted that pin that was binding and I lost that. Oh, here we go. Might have got it back. This thing is crunchy, I'll tell you what. I think I lost that turn I had on the core again. Yeah. I don't feel like I have that false set anymore. Oh. Not sure, y'all. This is a doozy. Yeah, I think I might have overset something. Boy, there's something nasty in this one, boy. I'll tell you what. Keep going back and forth. Okay, I got that deep false set back again, but I've had that before. There we go. I'll be damned. That's an open right there. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Let's see if I can't get this thing got it on camera. Alright. Usually this is where I get excited and screw something up real good. So alright. All that there. Put the camera down over here. Like that. I think. Some light. Some focus. Alright. Take it out of this dude. I do have the key, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it up. Alright, let's see. Here's a pick for that. Nice. Yeah, we actually were sent home today because the weather. Sent home early, which was good because I was fixing to have to leave anyways. I don't much like driving on a skate rink. Alright, now I really hope one of my followers fit this one. I will try a shim. And here we go. Let's see if one of these fit. Maybe that one. All right, beautiful. All right, here we go. Laying the pins out. Pin 1, nice. Pin 2, 3, 4. I go with 6. 5. Whoa, 5. Okay, there was my problem. 5 was a 2-piece. All right. Well, the whole thing was my problem, but golly. All right. Nicely done. I'm going to see if I can't show that. My equipment here is not all the best, but let me get the light up here. That slid on there. That's a 2-piece. Very cool. Very cool. Man, that's why it was giving me hell. Alright, see if I can't put those where they go. On the core, we got looks like an undercut on 3 and 4 and 6. 3, 4, and 6 look undercut. 1, 1 and 5 are threaded, and 2 look standard. Whoops, sorry, it was off film. Alright, nice, beautiful. Alright, going upstairs. Let's see. How did I do it? This way? X marks the front right there, I guess. That shim out of there. Tweezers. There we go. Alright, some light. Some focus. Going in. Okay, that is, okay, that was a 2-piece spring loaded. Oh my God. All right. No wonder it put up a fight. Oh, I was being hard on myself. Okay, I'll zoom in on that when after I get these out. My God. That's beautiful. Okay, pin 2 looks like maybe spool, serrated type spoolie thing. I don't know. 3 is another beautiful looking, like deep serrated. With that, how it went in there. Wow. 4. Another really nice deep serrated. Put that how it went, like that, I think. And another really deep serrated in 5. And six, one that's serrated almost all the way through the pin. That went that way. All right. The springs are different. Looks looks like a steel 1 and 1. I'm going to lay these out over here, try to do this decent. That's one. Got a, what is it, copper or whatever, and 2. Steel and 3. Copper and 4. Steel 1 and 5. Copper and 6. All right, beautiful, beautiful, man. Golly, that pin is just insane. That double with the spring in it. All right, I'm going to zoom in on these pins now. Again, that was called what? By Fast Charlie. Thank you so much, Fast Charlie, for not only making this but sending it my way, brother. I really appreciate it. I'm going to zoom in on these pins so y'all can see the fantastic work that he put into this. I mean, look at that. That was a pin-in pin right here with a spring action in between it. This one over here, this key pin, this was a 2-piece pin in the as a key pin. I mean, look at these things; they're beautiful. All right, thank you all for watching. Again, Fast Charlie, thank you, brother, for putting this together and sending it my way, man. I do appreciate it. And if y'all like my videos, please subscribe. All right, thank you.